Want to live where the city comes alive without spending $1 million? Then 7 Hub Street might be exactly what you're looking for. This 3-bedroom modern townhome in unit has a private bedroom and bathroom. And did I mention you can't beat the location? This is what I would call the best value on the market right now, because new construction townhomes in this area are being marketed for hundreds of thousands of dollars more. You can still have that same luxury lifestyle at a fraction of the price here. Take a look at this video. I mean, you've got an open concept layout. The kitchen connects with the living room and the dining room. You've got a large island, and that's where you would make wonderful new memories with your family and friends. On the main level, you've got what could be a guest suite, or you could make it a home gym if that's what you're into. Upstairs on the top floor, you've got a magnificent primary suite that even has views of all the cityscape. And you've got a walk-in laundry. You've even got a flexible space that could be used for a home office. That's what they're using it for right now. Or it could be a reading nook. It's really, truly one of those flexible spaces that you make it into whatever you want. And best of all, you've got a 2-car garage with this in-unit townhome. That's really hard to find in downtown Greenville. You don't even have to worry about parking because you're in walking distance to all of the award-winning restaurants and shops on Main Street. I'm Angela Rodriguez with Encore Realty. Don't let this smart investment or future dream home get away from you.